Are you ready to tackle this miraculous mission? Shoot for the stars with these 12 easy DIY ideas for your VBS decor needs. Idea number 1 is to hang planets from the ceiling. This is so affordable, fast, and easy. You can use balloons, bouncy balls, pool balls, or even paper lanterns. Leave them as they are or add details with paint or markers. To hang them, I taped or tied some string to the planet and taped it to the ceiling. Masking tape works the best. If you have tile ceiling in your facility, tuck the string under the tile to hold it in place. Now you may notice some of my background items and wonder what they are. Those are ideas for my To Mars and Beyond VBS video, which is another space-themed VBS. So if you want, you can also check out that video by clicking the card above if you want more space ideas. Idea number 2 is to hang tablecloths over lights. This can be over windows or over ceiling lights. This can shed some colorful light or create a dark night sky. For our next idea, grab some poster board, paint, and some paintbrushes. Squeeze out colorful paint and swirl it on the board. Next, put some white paint on a paintbrush and flick white stars all over the galaxy. Once it dries, cut it out. Take this galaxy and incorporate it into our next idea. Hang a black tablecloth on the wall and create a starry sky scene. Add the galaxy, glow-in-the-dark stars, or cut some holes through the tablecloth so that way light can shine through. It's hard to see on camera, but the holes look super awesome if the tablecloth is hanging over a light. If you don't have a light to put behind the tablecloth, just use a white crayon to draw stars. Idea number 7 is to hit the dollar store in search of starry space items. If you time it right in the season, you can find graduation, patriotic, or garden decor items that can be incorporated into the scene. Hang these items from the ceiling or along the wall. For our next idea, I took this cardboard box that started as an arcade unit for my Power Up VBS video, and then I turned it into an Adobe HUD in my Incredible Race VBS video, and now I'm turning it into yet another project, a rocket ship. You can take any tall box, a refrigerator box would work great, and tape up the sides. Then cut out the back and cut a square in the front. Add a cardboard cone or a cardboard triangle to the top, cardboard fins to the bottom sides, and decorate it with crayons, markers, or paint. Throughout the week, let kids pose inside the rocket ship for a keepsake photo. Since this theme involves looking at the night sky, we have to go outside to spot the stars. Let's turn your indoor facility into the outdoors with easy tablecloth grass. Start by cutting a wide strip of green tablecloth. Then roll the strip up on itself. Press it flat and cut many notches down the folded cloth, making sure to leave the bottom connected. Unroll the tablecloth and tape it to the wall with masking tape. You may notice throughout this video that some of my items don't want to stay taped up. That's because I ran out of masking tape and was making do with painter's tape, but the painter's tape is not a good option. Masking tape will work way better. It holds really well and it won't ruin your surfaces when you remove it. For our 10th idea, we are going to make an animated campfire. Start with a fan. I recommend using one that blows cool air and not heat like mine does. Grab a yellow tablecloth, some cardboard tubes, and butcher paper. Wrap the butcher paper around a box to create the base of the fire. Then tape the tubes all over the front and top of it to create the logs. Lastly, bunch up your yellow tablecloth and tape it securely to the back. You can cut the tablecloth if you want a more streamer look. Now, I didn't run my fan for this video because it would make the room way too warm, but if you turn the fan on behind the campfire, it will move the flames. Of course, even if you skip the fan, this project will still look great. Our next idea is to create some cutouts like stars, planets, or telescopes. Normally, I would use a projector to project the image onto poster or cardboard and then trace out the image. This time I opted to just freehand draw my own telescope. Color it in, cut it out, and tape it to the wall. Ah, finally a food break. I was a little hungry filming this video. Don't forget to eat in between decorating. Our final decor idea is to create mini rockets using empty bottles. You can paint the bottles or stick colorful paper inside for a faster option. Cut out a trapezoid and tape it to the back to create fins. Lastly, cut out a cone to make the top of the rocket. You can add extra details with construction paper or paint. These work great on a check-in table or to hide things like wall outlets. Also, don't forget to take dance breaks while decorating. Enjoy tired, hungry me doing the YMCA. Alright, here are all of the ideas together. I had some tape curls left on the wall that I was going to take down, but then they look kind of like a star field, so I left them up. You can also add those glow-in-the-dark stars to the ceiling. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you found it helpful. And if you want to keep up with my channel, hit the bell icon for notifications. I post tutorials every Tuesday, and I'm always having crazy crafting adventures. While you are here, don't forget to check out other content on my channel. Thanks for watching and happy crafting! See you in the next video.